live alright with my crazy, beautiful life. With the parties, the disasters, with my friends all pretty and plastered. Every night we're down to go out, waking up on a different couch till the next night on the next flight. Yeah, I guess we're doing alright. We're falling in love till the sun's coming up. Just living the life. Every single night we fight to get a little high on life, to get a little something right, something real. At least we try. Time after time, try dodging all the douchebag guys, try trading all the wasted times for something real in this crazy life. I just hope some people see there's nothing that I'm trying to be. Let me just stop all the shit talk. I know I'm the new bitch on the block. I've been through my sketchy phases, been broke, been a shitty waitress, but I'm not now. Guess it worked out. Got here by running my mouth. We're falling in love.
I'm picture baby, you and I are undeniable, but I'm finding out love's unreliable. I'm giving all I got to make you stay, or am I just a roadblock in your way? 'Cause you're a pretty little windstorm out on the boulevard, or something like a sunset. Oh, you're a shooting star, and I might drive myself insane if those lips aren't speaking my name. 'Cause I've got some intuition, or maybe I'm superstitious, but I think you're a pretty sweet pill that I'm swallowing down. To counter this addiction, you got me on a mission. Tell me, darling, can I get a break somehow? Could I say no? She's got a love like whoa, girl's got a love like whoa. I kinda feel like it don't make sense, because you're bringing me in and now you're kicking me out again. Love so strong, then you moved on, and I'm hung up in suspense, because you're bringing me in and then you're kicking me out again. It's like a hurricane speed train, she's a moving car, catch her in the fast lane. Oh, I gotta know, can I keep up with her pace? Kicking into gear when I see that face. You can take up all my time, 'cause you're the only one that can make a storm cloud break, pulling up the sun. And I can't get caught in the rain. Can I get your lips to speak my name?
Yo, it's Yo Smiggles. Yo Diggles. Fluffy. Scarlet. How do you stop it?
Hey girl, what's your name? LUV, I see your game. It's okay, I do it too. Make me wanna play a fool.
Well, boys, time to line. Close the deal, don't waste my time. I am game to play with you. Are you gonna follow through?
Step inside, we'll take a ride. Bonnie, Clyde, you and I. We can do this, do or die. Why don't we just take a try?
I'm gangster, I'm gangster. We'll play the down prankster. Using up the spot we play, then we make our getaway.
Electro pop, hard funk addiction when I can't stop.
I may be your sweet spot. Take me to your candy shop.
Electro pop, hard funk friction when it's getting hot.
Feeling like it's
Swag. Kelly, do your swag. Do your swag.
getting hot. Come on, baby, what you got?
Electro pop, hard funk addiction when I can't stop.
I may be your sweet spot. Take me to your candy shop.
Electro pop, hard funk friction when it's getting hot.
I was born off an old dirt road, 40-acre farm, no highway, no interstate, and I drive an old rusted-out Chevrolet. The
Just a clip. Oh my God, cousin Rachel, cousin Rachel, cousin Rachel, come here. There's a horse in our car. There's a horse in our car. Oh my God, cousin Rachel, cousin Rachel, cousin Rachel, cousin Rachel. There's a horse in the car. There's a horse in the car.
annoyed it away.